In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove zoom in iPhone. So if you have the zoom feature enabled on your iPhone, there are three ways that you can use to enable this feature on your iPhone. First, if the iPhone zoom feature is enabled and you are on your iPhone lock screen, to exit this lock screen is going to be a bit hard, and this is what you need to do to remove the zoom feature on your iPhone on lock screen. Just put the iPhone and triple tap with your three finger on the iPhone screen, just the way I do. Then you should see this feature that says zoom out, then tap on zoom out. Instantly you'll be taken back to your iPhone screen. However, if you're on the iPhone home screen and all you see is the zoom in page, to remove this zoom on the device, all you need to do is just hold the device firm and triple tap on the screen, then tap zoom out. So once you've zoomed out, you should see your iPhone icon back to normal. However, to remove the zoom feature completely on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to settings, then scroll down and click on accessibility, tap zoom, and then make sure you turn off this feature. Once this feature is turned off, the zoom feature will be disabled and removed on your iPhone, and you no longer have it active on your device. So find this really interesting. If you want to hit like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.